This is a flexible circuit board, with coils arranged on both sides, when electrified and close to the magnet. It's like a butterfly's wings getting more excited, but it lacks a sense of ritual. Solder a few LEDs on the front end. Let's see what will happen. It easily changes from one-dimensional linear to two-dimensional display, but this effect is not good enough. It also needs a single-chip microcomputer and resistors, etc. to control the lighting or extinguishing of each LED, and set the displayed image in advance by PC programming. Then transfer the data to the single-chip microcomputer for processing. Adjust the oscillation frequency through the oscilloscope. Finally, install a precise base. Not only does it feel ceremonial, but also limit the magnetic amplitude. In addition to clearly displaying numbers, according to the pre-programmed settings, it can also play various English letters in a flow. Even more complex smiley faces are also fine. It can also be pressed at will. The phenomenon is the persistence of vision effect. Any fast-moving object can briefly stay in the field of vision, especially in the presence of a strong light source.